So this morning is a little bit windy and we are waking up in the Eagle Point campsite in Ballylickey. It's a beautiful morning. So there's Conny and the van, and this is our own private little beach. Like I said, it's a little bit windy this morning. But that is some awesome little beach. A little bit off the beaten path. Is that a fair? Is that a fair?
No, this is motorway.
Let's have a look.
See, instead of a white line, we have a green line. I think. So look this way here. It's obviously more of a hiking road, a hiking way, rather than a driving way. So you can park here. But yeah,
Park.
it was really cool.
Yeah, it is really cool, and there's lots of signs as to show you where you should go. Like, is there signs out here that we can show them?
That's where the red stake is. Just up a small bit.
You can't even see that up there. Oh yeah, there's stakes. Be careful driving back.
See up in the hill, look.
Where did I get out with that? Yeah. Where is this place called, Joe? Oh. Yeah. So we came a little bit off the beaten path to kind of experience the wild Atlantic way. It really is wild. Like, there's nothing out here. But I'll tell you something, it'd be fantastic for hiking. We haven't come equipped for camping today, otherwise I would definitely be going up there. I'm just wearing my runners and my leggings. I haven't got any water or anything else with me. However, I will be doing this again. I think it'd be a phenomenal hiking experience. So, and the great thing about around here, actually, it's really well signposted for hikers. I guess because the weather would change so quickly around here. So you have these kind of signs here. Sheepshead Way, the Sheepshead Way. Oh, excellent. And the Sheepshead Way. So, and also, I'm not sure if you can see up there, if I can point that out, there's stakes as you go up there to show the hikers where to go, and to kind of like as landmarks. Because again, it's so wild up here. I'm sure the weather could change really quickly. And what I really love about it as well is there's lots of these kind of things for going across into ditches and fields. Look at that. goes over there. So we haven't planned this, we've just kind of stumbled across it. But it's something that we're doing a little bit of research on when we go back, so that we can give you a little bit more information on it. So there's also this. Something I've noticed as well is that there's lots of signs for no dogs. Thank you. So they're like possibly because there's so much sheep around here, I would assume. The Sheep's Head Way hiking route forms part of Ireland's Wild Atlantic Way, and it focuses on the famous Sheep's Head Peninsula in West Cork. The main Sheep's Head Walk is about 93 kilometres long. It begins in the historic West Cork market town of Bantry. From there you can hike right to the end of the Sheep's Head Peninsula. If you prefer a real challenge, you can choose to walk the entire Sheep's Head Way. Its main trail is over 6 days, or pick one of the 25 loop walks or additional linear routes which form a 200 kilometre trail. But no hike is complete without a pause at Bernie's Cup on Tay. Do you know where we are, Joe?
We're here. Well, you are here, and I'm here with you. So it should read, we are both here.
Yeah.
For a more detailed, focused in map area, it says you are here. And because you are here, I'm here with you, so we are both here also.
That's good. I'm happy.
I know there's a lake in there. There's a lake.
Oh yeah. Today we are hiking the Lighthouse Loop Walk. It's about 5 kilometres. I'll include these links in the description below. Hey Joe, do you know what I didn't notice actually? You know,
how beautiful I am.
Well, that too. But you know how we're doing the Wild Atlantic Way? And it says the Atlantic Ireland, chase your dreams. Didn't know that, and we're doing it now for the last 10 days. I'm smart like that.
8 or 9?
Well, 8 days.
This is our 8th day.
This is our 8th day. No, this is our 9th day. Tomorrow's our 10th because we're going home tomorrow. So it's 9 nights, 10 days. You come behind me?
Obviously at the beginning of the trail.
Hey Joe, I know why they call it the Sheep's Head. Because there's a huge amount of sheep poo.
Must be sheep living around here.
There may be. Found the lake, Joe.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Hi, how are you? It is good.
Got another 3 miles.
What? Oh, look at this. That is so cool. Joe's kind of slagging me because I am very much the planning type of person, and I like to know where we're going and what we're going to do and everything else, whereas Joe just kind of goes off the cuff, and good job he did today, or else we wouldn't have found Sheep's Head. It's lovely as well. Look,
Genius
boy. And there in the backyard you can see the lighthouse. I'll go over there in a second to get a better view. But yeah, good job for your, what would you call it?
Genius. Pure genius.
Inspiration.
Good sense of direction.
No, that's not it.
Yes.
Good sense
of direction.
Eagle Point Camping is located in County Cork, southwest Ireland, overlooking Bantry Bay on the Atlantic coast, between the Beara, the Sheep's Head and Mizzen Head peninsulas. Eagle Point Camping is on its very own 20-acre peninsula on Bantry Bay. Ample space for tents, caravans, motorhomes, camper vans, and of course pop-up folding campers like Conny. Bring your water sports gear. Eagle Point is the perfect place for water-based activities. There's Conny. Morning. It is a great location for those who want to discover the area. From here, it is easy to explore. The riches of West Cork and South Kerry are right on your doorstep. Eagle Point is rated 4-star. Personally, I would give it 5-star. Because the site is in pristine condition. It's one of our favourite campsites so far.
You held me back when I tried to move on from your life, so you stole my life with clarity. So hold me back, now you're here, 'cause I'm mad, show no fear, wanna let you know just how